Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making a delicious and nutrient-packed smoothie that not only tastes great but also promotes hair growth. We are talking about banana and pineapple smoothie. Pineapple is our star ingredient today, and I will tell you why in just a moment. Pineapple is packed with vitamin C. And vitamin C is essential for producing collagen. And then this collagen strengthens hair strands and promotes hair growth. Pineapple also contains an enzyme, a natural enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and promotes a healthy scalp. So this is why pineapple is crucial for your hair growth. The antioxidants in pineapple also protect your hair from damage caused by free radicals. So you don't play with this smoothie, guys. So I've finished cleaning the pineapple. I'll now start cutting it into smaller pieces so that it can blend so fast in the blender. Our next ingredient is banana. Bananas are rich in potassium and natural oils that help improve the texture and elasticity of your hair. That is why when you do banana mask, you apply it to your hair. You see that when you wash it, your hair will feel the elasticity of your hair. So that's one of the things banana contains: potassium and oil, and also it contains vitamin A, B and C, which help reduce hair breakage, and it adds shine to the hair. So here it's ready, but I didn't remember that I have dates, so I got to go get it now and cut it. Dates contains iron. Iron is vital for healthy blood circulation to the scalp, helping to nourish the hair follicles and promote hair growth. So they've removed the seed already from the shop. So when you buy it, they've cleaned and removed the seed. You just wash it and cut it. So that's what I'm doing to add additional taste to it. So here we go. Kindly help us to continue to bring more hair growth tips for you by liking our posts, watching our videos, sharing if you're following from Facebook or YouTube. We appreciate you all. Thank you very much. Let's continue. The quantity of water you add depends on how thick you want it. If you want the smoothie light or thick, so I'm adding just half cup of this glass cup. So you blend everything together until it's smoothie and creamy. And there you have it, a delicious tropical pineapple and banana smoothie that is not just tasty but also fantastic for supporting hair growth. Try and include this smoothie in your diet. Your hair will love it and appreciate you for that. Mmm, so nutritious and tasty.